Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. A 2018 Ford Mustang with an EcoBoost motor, doing some spark plugs. Here is the Motorcraft part number for the spark plugs. So this will take the, you gotta take the top off, which is going to be 2 10s and 2 8s. So there's two different studs on the back half that go for the coils and stuff like that. So what hold the coils in, which would be these, you have one here and one here that loom, and then the 10mm up top to hold the cover on place goes to. So make sure this goes back in the same place. And then on this side over here, a 10, and then right here is going to be just a standard bolt. But so this is going to be a 5/8 spark plug. They come out relatively easy, and going back in is okay. Since you can't really see down inside there, what you have to do is you have to make sure you line up the spark plug to go back in. Although you can't just drop it in like you would normally, it doesn't quite line up just right. So if you have a spark plug socket that has one of the little rubber inserts in, that makes it a whole lot better. Stick it in the spark plug socket, put it in, hand tighten it, and then use a wrench or a power tool to get it back on there. But it's a relatively easy job. It's probably about a 15-20 minute job tops. You can put some dielectric grease on the tips. I usually don't, because the rubber boots on these are usually not a big problem, not a source of contention. But some places do recommend it. It's completely up to you. It's your car. But other than that, any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know.